Well, it's May 2nd. You know what that means? The Toronto Maple Leafs are starting the second round of playoffs. It's the first time in 19 years. But it's also Blue Switch Day, the day that geocaching, they turned off selective availability on the satellites to make GPSs more accurate, and the birth of geocaching started. And I'm sitting at 5,999 caches, so this is going to be my 6,000th cache. It's a little rainy, and we're in my favorite cedar trees to find a cache. That next on Geocaching with Simrebel. Yeah, it's a little wet. At least the trees are cut back here a bit, so hopefully this is a quick find. I'm told this has a little bit of a neat container, so hopefully it should be an easy find. Could use a CETO. It looks like a car accident went through here. So we'll get the GPS out for a more accurate reading because I'm not seeing anything off the bat. Okay, as I was putting the phone away, I seen the cache container, and there it is. It's a wooden shoe with a bison inside it. So this is by local cachers, NL Kippers. They're Dutch cachers from the area. She runs a little farm stand with fresh veggies. So let's open her up and sign her a log. I went and got a new fine tip marker, but it's not very fine. I guess I need an extra fine marker. But all signed in, we'll put her away. Alright, so cached log. Got the Blue Switch souvenir for today. My 6,000 cache. It only took 3 years since my 5,000th cache. 2019 New Year's Eve, I believe, was my 5,000th cache. And I thought I'd get this within a year because I was doing 1,000 caches, but it took over 3 years to do, but hopefully do some more. And good luck to the Toronto Maple Leafs tonight. Hopefully they win their series against Florida and move on to round 3. So till next time, cache later, cache on the trails. As a reward, I went to Wendy's and got ghost pepper chicken ranch and ghost pepper fries. So we'll have to see how these turn out. A little warm. Also forgot the 6,000th geocache find coin, and I'll share the code. Also comes with a companion 6,000 tag. I'll share the tag on that. So now we're ready to say cache later, cache on the trails.